Hey, do you know how to create a work plan that actually works?
Absolutely. First, make sure to write down all the tasks and goals you need to accomplish. This will help you stay organized and focused.
Good tip. What are the 5 steps to creating a work plan?
Step 1. Define your objectives. Step 2. Identify your tasks. Step 3. Estimate the time and resources needed. Step 4. Set deadlines and priorities. Step 5. Monitor and adjust as needed.
Thanks for breaking it down. How can I write a work plan that's easy to follow?
Use simple and clear language. Avoid jargon and technical terms. And make sure it's visually appealing, with headings, bullet points, and charts.
Got it. What's the main purpose of a work plan?
The main purpose is to keep you on track and ensure you meet your goals on time and within budget.
Interesting. What are the 7 parts of a project plan?
Scope, timeline, budget, resources, risks, quality, and stakeholders. These elements help you plan, execute, and control your project effectively.
Wow, that's a lot to consider. What are the benefits of having a work plan?
There are many benefits, like improved productivity, better time management, and increased accountability. Plus, it helps you stay organized and focused.
Who's responsible for creating a work plan?
It depends on the project, but usually the project manager or team leader is responsible for creating and managing the work plan.
And what's a monthly work plan?
A monthly work plan is a detailed outline of tasks and goals for the upcoming month. It helps you break down larger projects into manageable chunks and stay on track with deadlines.
Interesting. What's a work plan budget?
A work plan budget is an estimate of the costs and resources needed to complete the project. It helps you allocate resources effectively and avoid overspending.
Thanks for sharing all these tips. I feel more prepared to create my own work plan now.
You're welcome. Remember, the key is to stay organized, stay focused, and stay flexible.